Hello students, welcome to English grammar class. I hope you are doing well. So students, in this session I'll be continuing with unit 1, that is let's revise. So students, I had already explained till question number 6 in the last class, and now I'll be heading towards question number 7. So question number 7 says, rewrite the sentences changing the tense into simple past. So what you have to do, you have to change the tense into simple past. Past means the actions that had already happened. The actions have already occurred. That refers to past. Now you have to change the sentences. Okay, the first sentence. He falls down. Children, please remember that you only have to change the verb. All the rest part of the sentence will remain the same. Only you have to make changes in the verb. So the verb is falls. He falls down. So the past tense of falls will be fell. So he fell down. He fell down. Next, the flight takes off from Mumbai. The flight takes off. See, takes is the verb. So you have to change the verb. Takes will change into took. The flight took off from Mumbai. I'll only write the verb. You can write the rest part of the sentence since space is limited. Next, we see a movie about aliens. See is the verb. So see will change into saw. We saw a movie about aliens. Next, my grandparents live in a village. Live is the verb, so live will change into lived. My grandparents lived in a village. Next, question number 5. I do not know all the answers. What is the verb? Do is the verb and know is also the verb. So how you will change such sentences? Do will change into did. I did not know all the answers. Here you don't have to change no. It will not be changed because when we are using did means whenever we are framing any sentence in past tense, we use the root form of the verb. There are no changes will be made in the verb. Only do will change into did and no will remain the same. You will not change no into new. Please remember this. Next, she does not return timely. Again, does is the verb and return is also the verb. So you will not say she did not return timely. You will say she did not return timely. Again, does will change into did and return will remain return only, because with past tense, whenever we are framing any sentence in the past, we use the root form of the verb. Root form means no changes are made in the verb. Next, complete the story using past form of the given verbs. So there is a story, short story, and verbs are given in the bracket. You have to do what you have to do. You have to complete the story using past form. You have to write the past form of the verbs that are given. So the first one, the stag dash to drink water at a pool. Go. So what will be the past tense of go? It will be went. Let me take another color. Went. The stag went to drink water at a pool. He dashed his reflection in the water. See. Past of see will be saw. He saw his reflection in the water. He dashed proud of his horns, but he dashed his thin and ugly legs. Feel and hate. Past tense of feel will be felt. F-E-L-T. He felt proud of his horns, but he hate. Hate will change into hated. H-A-T-E-D. Hated his thin and ugly legs. Just then he dashed the sound of wolves at a distance. Here. Here will change into heard. H-E-A-R-D. Heard. He dashed fast to save himself. Run. He ran fast. R-A-N. He was almost safe when his horns were dashed between two branches of a tree. Catch. Catch will change into caught. C-A-U-G-H-T. Caught. He could not escape. The wolves dash him and dash him. The wolves found him. Past of find is found, and kill is killed. The beautiful horns of the stag dash the reason of his death. Become. Become will change into became. B-E-C-A-M-E. Became. Okay. I hope question number 7 and 8 are clear to everybody. Now we'll be moving towards question number 9. Solve the crossword puzzle to find collective noun with the help of clues. So here there are certain clues given and you have to find the collective noun. First is here down. A dash of fish. A collection of fish is called shoal. Let's see the first one. Where is A? See, S is there. So you will write shoal. S-H-O-A-L. Shoal. Next we have, I have to erase this. Second, a dash of people. Second, where is second here? Second. I cannot find second. Yes, second. Collection of people refers to crowd. C-R-O-W-D. Next, third one. A dash of wolves. Pack of wolves. Third, C. P-A-C-K. Pack of wolves. Now the fourth one. A dash of players. Collection of players refers to team. So here you will only write E. AM is already given. Next, question number 5. A dash of birds. So collection of birds refers to flock. F-L-O-C-K. You can mention here. F-L-O-C is already given and here comes K. 6. A dash of singers. A choir of singers. C-H-O-I-R. 7th. A dash of cattle. Herd of cattle. H-E-R-D. 8th. A dash of lions. Pride of lions. Collection of lions refers to pride. Where is question number 8? Yes. P-R-I-D-E. Pride. Last one. A dash of and dash of soldiers. 9th. Where is 9th? Here. It begins with A. Army. Army of soldiers. So I hope question number 9 is also clear. So we will continue with this chapter in the next session, in the next video. Till then, keep studying, stay well, stay safe. Thank you so much.